Knoa's User Experience Management for Oracle Cloud helps you understand the experience your users are having with Oracle Cloud applications, be it good or bad, as they access the tools they need to do their job from office and home locations worldwide. With a granular view of the system and user errors that your employees are encountering whilst using Oracle Cloud applications, the Knoa solution allows you to drill down into specific areas of errors, see how widespread they are, and isolate the affected population, all without requiring any end-user administration. You can gain insights into the performance of Oracle Cloud applications from a user's perspective by isolating problem transactions and using actual user experience data to investigate claims of slow system response. Use the Knoa insights to track the adoption of Oracle Cloud applications by your end users. See which transactions are being utilized and make sure that key tasks in your process are being completed. Identify where users need additional training to be able to focus your attention and maximize the impact of your training budget. With Knoa, you can easily see the financial impact of a poor user experience with Oracle Cloud applications. By focusing on the required business outcomes, you can model the data using your own cost base to prepare and prove the ROI of the required intervention. It would be very difficult to get this insight without the Knoa User Experience Management for Oracle Cloud applications. To find out how we can help you deliver a great user experience and provable business outcomes, contact Knoa today at knoa.com.